So what's up, you lovely bunch? Thought it was a time I gave you a quick whip round Luma, our 1994 Mini Tahiti it started life as, but obviously presents completely different and upgraded now after a total restoration in late 2019, early 2020. The colour of island blue, period correct for the Cooper Car Co company styling. Just look at this. That was a full bare metal restoration, all new metal where required, and like I said, painted in period correct island blue, as the decision had already been taken to go with a Cooper Car Co styling. Obviously old English white roof, all the decals that you would expect. This thing is absolutely stunning. At the same time, it had a 1275 engine. It's always original 1275 engine, totally rebuilt, paired with a lovely sound exhaust, and obviously all the chrome that you would expect. Internally, we have an uprated Momo steering wheel, leather clad blue dash. This is a really nice touch, a BMC gear knob. This one actually has an uprated CD player and speakers, black carpets. It has the original, or an original 1275 Clubman interior, door cards, door furniture, with the contrasting blue and blue vinyl seats. There is a little extra, really nice extra grille that comes with the car. Obviously that's your speakers in the rear. I'll just pop the bonnet and give you a beautiful look at this stunning 1275. Obviously recently it's had a brand new upgraded alternator, clutch master cylinder, as you can see. To excuse the dust, it's been sat at my house, which is on a farm, sorry, and we get covered in a lot of dust. What we will do is just start the little beast so you can have a listen to how wonderful this engine sounds. 12-inch black contrasting Group 2 arches and 12-inch Mini lights. Have a little listen to this. It just sounds wonderful. It does come with some P700 headlights, which are extremely rare, and there's a few other spares, original steering wheel, and a load of other bits in there as well. What else can I say? Somebody is going to be winning our 36th Classic Mini winner. Somebody is going to be driving away 8 PM on Sunday. Let's have a little listen. Nothing more to say, people. Hit the link on the screen or visit www.UKMinis.co.uk and you may well be getting a phone call at about 8:15 on Sunday evening. Good luck, everyone.